Passport provides valuable features that allow customers to most effectively run their business their way. Passport's third-party data interface is one example. Over the next 5 minutes, we will discuss what Passport's third-party data interface provides and encourage you to find exciting and creative uses for this feature in your business. For many years, Passport has provided rich transaction file data to the back office through a back office interface. However, the back office consumes and usually deletes those files once they are consumed. Gilbarco designed third-party data interface to provide the detailed transaction files, or PJR files, to customers and third-party systems separate from the back office. These rich data files are now available for your use in optimizing your business. We'll cover the kinds of information you can receive from this interface and some of the benefits for each. One example we've seen of using third-party data interface is a money order system that monitors the real-time PJR files written to Passport's third-party data interface. When the system detects the purchase of a money order, it processes that through its own software located on a separate on-site computer, printing the money order for the customer. Another customer with over 100 sites with no back office expressed interest in using the transaction level data to do their own data analytics. Other customers have discussed using these files to parse out the data needed to report to tobacco companies for rebates if their back office does not provide that information for them. Let's take a look at what is available through Passport's third-party interface. The manager will configure this feature through the manager's workstation at Setup, Store, Third-Party Data Interface. Now, we've talked about examples of collecting transaction-level PJR data. Passport will also export price book to the third-party data interface location whenever a new price book import is received. Customers select whether to export the price book changes immediately upon receipt or nightly. Managers can specify that combo and mix and match files be copied to the interface as well. This ability is one of the differentiating features of Gilbarco's upselling system, Impulse. Impulse customers make their price and promotional changes one time. Export the price book to Passport, then Passport automatically syncs the promotions and new pricing with Impulse. Third is wet stock data. For every fuel price change and at every store close, Passport collects and stores date and time of the price change, fuel prices for each grade, meter readings for each grade, meter readings for each dispenser by grade, and tank monitor readings by tank by product, where that tank monitor is electronically interfaced with Passport. Customers can choose to collect the data from Passport's D drive or configure Passport to FTP the files to a specific location. The manager can specify up to 4 hosts to receive the FTP and specify which data is to be provided to which host. Note that the choice of data sent depends on how the data is to be used. For example, the manager could configure Passport to send only the pricing and promo files to sync with an express ordering system or an Impulse upselling system. And the manager can specify to send the detailed transaction PJR data files to the main office for internal reporting needs. So, how do I get third-party data interface for Passport? The third-party data interface is inherent in the base Passport with version 10 Service Pack P and above. Customers may want to consider, how do you use this data? How you want to pull in the data from Passport or have Passport provide it to a host server by FTP, and what resources will be responsible for setting up and managing the data, particularly FTP or parsing data or creation of reports is involved. For additional questions concerning third-party data interface, please contact your Gilbarco Retail Solutions Sales Manager or your local Gilbarco distributor.